Me say, me son of friend Gracey called on my phone. Nothing but because she see me post the video. Say, she no call me 2 days now because when me call her, tell her I want to talk to her about something, I want me and her to do something, she give me a 6 or 9. And make me tell you something, me not lie, the truth. It's the truth. Me see somebody in the comment section say, how you know so Donna never talked to Gracey before she do the me never talked to Gracey, but me have something to tell you now. This is how me and Gracey live. So don't take it serious. Because I do Gracey the same thing. Please don't take it serious. When me post my video, me just post how I feel at the moment. But Gracey, me do Gracey the same exact thing. Tell her say me I go call her back, and 2-3 days me not call her back. So, you not take it serious. Because me sit down there and my mind upon it and me say, let me just do a video with it. A comedy, guys. Comedy. But anytime I talk to Gracey, me I go just done her and me about to call her right this minute for hear or no. Hear me tell her no. Sometimes you see now when me call her, guys. You see now when me call her, it's like some of the things that I want to tell her, I can't tell her upon the video. You see, if me name record it, I would have tell her some things. Understand the things that me innocent when me ready for done Gracey. Me done her. Well, me can't done her the way she done me. Me can never match up to her. Never. Me can never match up to Gracey.
Dana.
What?
Why you always go on your platform and call me name?
Look from when? Me you tell me say, look.
Hold on. Pick up it. Me say one something and then you can say all you want to say after. You just say one something. You remember. You remember. Before. You can't get home now. In your coming out of feed, you remember one time you used to tell us I can't hear you and I can't see you?
Me tell you something.
Dana, yes or no, true or lie?
Why you say what?
You're deaf? You're deaf?
Wait.
Me make no nice because me there people them walk. Me make no nice. They know me more big. Me say, if you remember when you did just go in at the nursing field, and you used to do your 3 and your 4 and your 5 and your 6 job, and me used to cuss you, then kind of one living job me I do. And when me call you, you can't talk, you're busy. When me call you, me not get you. It take it sometime 1, 2, 1, 3, or 1 week. If me not call you back, me not hear from you, Dana.
Yeah.
Right? True or lie? True or lie?
A truth, 100%.
So how the hell you are going like say you know remember where you come from and you can't realize when times money busy them busy. You know me go on my doctor and the friggin' insurance no covers my medication me have to go in a pocket to go find $80 for one little bottle of cream and me depend it I try to talk to the pharmacy, me talk to everything. If me feel frustrated and get frustrated. And because I know me need what them I say me need. So you
you're frustrated, and so that's why you not call me back.
We just fresh out. Because remember, I'm medication, I say I want, I got me say I want medication. I've not even rubbed down with the name over there. I know the people them are
Gracey, nobody cannot take me serious. Gracey, nobody cannot. Them are going to jump on you, so when you worry about that for me, then jump on you. When I get nervous because they jump on you for. No, they jump on me too. They jump on me the amount of time when they done me for you. You not see when them are done me for you. You not see when them are done me for you. So when me speak my, oh my God, you're such a. You need to read the word of the comment. Like them always, if you don't realize how me do one video yesterday morning, or when others over here talk about leave Gracey alone. Are you always a provoke Gracey? You know what that? Exactly. So when me have one somebody on my back, why you make it a bother you? You're there. One somebody a defend me and you're hurt over it. Everybody else they on your side. Everybody, 98% of them they on your side. And they know you're busy, but it's okay. Cause me know say you're busy too. But me sit down there last night and me I say, but wait 2 days now and me.
And you put your sitting in the morning, you would have been not on a damn pure clean of you and let me need cook get me. That's why me not do nothing. Me run and make mama beat me and when mama get the beat.
Well, I will if I eat me do and me knee no black. I will eat me do. No, me never been up on a clock, but my grandmother, when me I grew up, my grandmother used to say, you are a red king girl, and look for your knee them more than black. I grow them out. Me need them. Yes. But the thing is, me don't know how my elbow still looks so, cause me don't know what me used to do with my elbow. Cause me not,
you know what make your elbow black, so?
Yeah.
You do too much friggin' do. That's why your elbow black. So.
Oh, so because me I do the do, but me not there on my elbow I do the do. Me not do. Which mama and papa? No, me not reach this yet, baby. Me not reach this yet. No. Me not reach this yet. Me not reach mama and papa yet. When me reach it, that's okay, but me not reach this so. When me reach that level there, that's okay. But me, you know, say, let me tell you, you can't stop me. You give me permission. You give me permission to do it. You give me permission to do it. You tell me say if me when me tell you say me I go make you people them get some of a little laughter. You tell me say me must do it and don't make you know, right? When exactly you once you know say me I record it is like you're shy, you get afraid. You're not so because me I have to argue every day, I have to give the people them little of the comedy. Cause sometimes people need little of the drama and the comedy. You were the one give me the okay. You can never stop because there's something within you, so it can't stop. No matter how you say you're going to stop, it not going to stop. And me do you the same God Almighty thing. You call me, even now, if you call me, I me no member, no, me not call you. No, but me do it too. I mean I confess because me even confess. Me confess because me do you the same thing. It's not like say no, but I truth me yeah. When me just start you couldn't get me because me used to work 16 hours. Remember me used to live from one job and them time them used to do hospice. Exactly. Me used to do hospice and me there from one patient to the next. I have to spend 1 hour with a patient here, 1.5 hours with a patient. Yes. So I truth. I know I truth. Remember them days because me did so busy me couldn't call it back. But and even now sometimes me have so much on my mind and me I do so much and me just don't remember. And it's even happening right now. Me have things on my mind, you still will call me and tell me to call you back. But trust me, Gracey, everybody cuss me same way now. Even me people them enough people. Yeah. Then cuss me know. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Because you're busy, everybody know. So them I tell me, say me must check up on you. I want somebody in the comment section have me back. Want somebody in there defend me. If every single somebody down there now defend me. everybody I defend you. One, somebody in the have me back. One, Gracey, everybody on my page is all about you, not me. On my page, but it's all about you.
Lord God Almighty, next week then time I'm there in Canada.
Yeah, live your best life. Yeah, I'm sorry, so I can't come. What?
One accident, yes. I left from my morning job to my afternoon job, so I get on the street, I go up on a four-way intersection, right there, so? Intersection. So I normally, when we reach the intersection and go through the stoplight, I almost reach my job.
So how I first you tell me this?
Wait, no, because we don't get no chance to tell you yesterday. And that may tell you. So when now we go over the stoplight, cross through the intersection, the four-way, and go over the stoplight now, and put on the indicator, because like one block down the road, I always put on the indicator early. I mean, them cars are come down fast in your back, and I said, we don't want them people in our back. So I put on the indicator early out, and some of them merge over. One Bank of America, they on the right hand, on the right hand side, coming down, and the left hand side coming from the other way. We don't know if the woman try to go in the bank car while she come off at the next turn to come on the little piece of four-way there, so but traffic in front of me, I don't know what's that little bit down below. I couldn't see it so good. But now, I know I see it. I don't lie, you made a little hard. And I start to break up. And when I break up, the car is like this. It can just start old brake automatically and make clear nice. And the car just start drag brake and like it want to come out of the lane. I saw it here. And it start drag brake and I make clear nice and the youth of me. I say, what up? But so relax that it makes sound for me. I go too close to us other vehicle.
Right.
And it makes some nice and come to a complete stop. So when it come to a complete stop, my sister, I let the man in front of me. I say, thank you, Jesus. Me here behind me.
What?
Jesus Christ, me can't mash up. Fool ya? Me no feel like talking about me about.
Oh my God.
Me can't laugh now. But yesterday nervousness so that
oh God, Gracey.
He says when me jump out on the car, I flip the car and park and jump out on the car and run out of the back and look the man come out of him and say, did I hit you? And he said, no, I didn't hit you. You're good. When me look and feel car, mash up on the girl, when looking at the car, I see everything on that car.
Oh my
God. Chop shit in the chop. Mash up.
So your car mash up, bad?
My car no get no leak.
Oh my God.
From my side, my car no get the man stop and nose from the car, Dana. I said to me I got close to the next car. I tell her, say my car make peer nice and
it's so funny. What time was that?
It was like a little after 3 o'clock.
Wow.
Because I left my morning job and I go to the evening job.
You know, say, but after 3, me and Max go Costco because me did over Summit and me tell him say if come and meet me up at Costco. Me tell him to meet me at Costco because I go Costco over there and I literally see one carpet up there where me really love, you know.
Really was.
Oh my God, the carpet's so nice. I'm tell him say Angie, because Angie leave the van down at the yard. I'm tell him to drive Angie van. And me say, a thief Angie van go to Costco for go get the carpet, you know, because it couldn't hold in my car too big. It's a 10 by 7 foot. And me did it in my living room.
Okay.
And me did it and me I say, if him can come meet me at Costco with Angie Van so me can buy the carpet. Cockroach. Me say, when we pull out a Costco, me say, not even my fingertip. It's like less than, like maybe about an inch. Me there for running an Angie car back. Me say, me chest nearly pop out.
And God saved me car back himself. When me see it, man, and the youth when me a drop a word, say, Christine, you can't get me, come here, my ball out same time.
Oh my God. Yeah, the impact.
mash up the car, mash up
I
the
saw
car,
them
mash up.
carrier steer.
And I said, me a cherish vanity, me don't want my car to mash up.
You don't want nobody touch your car, girl.
Right now. Me have too much I do right
Exactly.
now. Let me go.
And then your
Yeah,
insurance I go up
and
on them. Oh,
insurance and me can't bother fight and I
can't
know
bother.
somebody running on my back and I like Florida ways I know Fall State.
Yeah.
You know? But
Yeah, if somebody running at your back here, so them 100%. And I see him there before yesterday, somebody running at Mika back too.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah, but when we see some,
Too close to people, that's why I give myself space. If me never do that, I'm gonna break up so
that
well,
is it.
right?
Me I go turn right, and
the
me I go turn right, you know, right this up on Route 10, you know, me I go turn right, you know. Yeah, and Max in front of me, yes. Max in front of me, you know, and the car them a come so fast, but me think say him a move up, you know, and me I look towards me left and me I go turn for me right and the car them a come speedy, and me there they ease off for the brake and ease off, and me say, me ease up off for the brake and press gas, you know, me say, oh my God, me say, I know me can't believe say me don't hit the car.
You cannot have the lot the panic.
No, but me not speed. Oh yes, oh yes. Exactly. It have that sound there now. But it just, you see, because me ease up off of the brake, it never have that sound there right away. The sensor they never come on. Because yes.
Yesterday,
if you drive on the center come on and it stop the car. Yes. Yes. But you see, if you just ease up off of the gas a little bit, it now go pick it up so easy. But if you drive, oh, this your car, we just shut off, you know. If you drive at a speed, it will stop itself. Oh yes, this your carrier stop itself. Yeah, the carrier, it will stop. Yeah, man. Yeah, it prevents you from in an accident. Girl, me just a call her because where you there? Grace. Look like you put me on. Where you there now? You there work? Me just a call her. I just the love, man.
You want to then come straight me at work yesterday. Me say no who do I play with.
Yeah. Then too much, man. You have to give it to them.
Wait now, me deal him call me in our office. Oh, Christine.
She's not Jamaican, right?
Me DON, she a Jamaican. The assistant DON a Spanish, and the assistant call me in our office. So I'm going there because them full up back. I'm a make a list and show them what me have to do. And I say if you don't put back the second over here, then I'm coming here tomorrow, I'm coming here Sunday. So look here and look for me, I'm just take out her office. Anyways, I make my rounds then, come back, my nurse then, they say, she a look for me. And then tell her, say, I'm going for lunch. I say, hey boy, you see me going for lunch? You see me going for lunch? You see me have time to go for lunch? You know, see, upstairs I do what I do up there. You know, she never come up on the radio.
They don't know say you're a bad man, you know. They don't know say you're a bad man. And when your head take you, your head take you.
I go over her office. She said, come inside, Christine, and lock the door. I said, no, lock the door. Want the door up. Let the door stay. I just wanted to say myself and Roseanne go over the list and I know you're a good person. I said, cut the wall if I go around the corner. You know, I put somebody with me. We're still working on it. They say make sure it works from before I come out here and look on the schedule and I say a 2 person and not me alone. Because me and no Jesus, me can't turn water in a wine.
Same way so.
She looked on me and I say,
am I missing the wrong somebody?
I said, I tell you something. Not be disrespectful or nothing, but we are all big people. I never sick, and I not call down no sickness for myself. I'm tired of the bullying. And I said shit, I said I'm tired of bullying. And from the second walk off, you know, I go on like so I run a 1-man show where it's a 2-man show. And that girl here love my job, but not enough to kill myself over.
Right.
Me not defend that.
Right.
I rather bounce. So she look at me. I say bounce meaning leave. I say yeah, I rather bounce. No, Christine, nobody want that. I say, okay. So, yeah,
Yo, me no know want to them people here. Them a make so much money. Why is it that them don't want to pay people to do the job?
I don't know.
Like, come on, man. You can't have one person that take care of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 14 people. That should be against the law.
At 10 total here,
That's not right.
And I said to her, I said, this now going to happen with me. I rather bounce. I'm not going to do it. Anyway, cut long story short, tell her I said I never sick. I mean, I call on my sickness by myself. I the bull me tired of in here, and that's why I not come to work. I come in here from I left here Friday. You notice I don't come in here back? Because guess what? I'm tired of it to run for bullshit. And I try to get me for food. I mean, I like that. So, I just stay home and straighten out my head. This is she look for me and draw back. I say, yeah. And I'm going to tell you no lie, say me did sick and call on sickness. I tell you, say no, but call on dead and no family. Nothing never done it.
Right.
So she said, okay. I'm going to work on it and I'm going to talk to you before you leave. I said, okay, I'm here. I'm not going anywhere for now until 3 o'clock. Anyways, I drive out, go look something to eat. When me in the place, I look something to eat. My phone rang at the girl where with the scheduling. Christine, where are you? I say, I'm on the road. What is it? You leave the building. I say, what is it? Oh, you're going to tell me you love me. I said, me never tell you I love you. I never love money yet. So she said, oh, we're going to put somebody on the schedule. I said, that was for you to do, not me. So thank you and okay.
Yeah. Them, you have to stand up for what you want. You have to stand up and them not paying you extra. Them not for you, for them not giving you extra. It's not like say, okay, if them a pay, say them a pay or whatever them a pay you. It's not like, okay, them are going to give you time and a half for that because you take up how much extra patient and a kill off your back and a broke off you say. That's, I couldn't do them. I couldn't do it. Like, me no want to do them. You mad? Nah, you couldn't do it.
Right?
No.
Me say you're already answer me.
Yeah.
Me said, oh, my back done it done.
Yeah.
She said yes. Me said, okay, so you think it's fair for me to finish my back in here?
Yeah, not right. You have to stand up for what you want. Like, it's sad. Like, these people are paying so much money on them. Some of them are being so neglected. And it's wrong. It's wrong. I've seen it over and over. Like, it's ridiculous. Like, if I should ever say some things that I say, just sad. Don't do that to people.
Nobody take me for no idiot.
Like, pay people for do the work because they are making a lot of money.
Me love my job. Not enough to kill myself over.
Yeah. You love yourself too because without you cannot do it. No, it's nice to take care of people, you know. It really do because this is something where I always say I would have done. I would have volunteer for take care of people if me have money. I would have do it as volunteer because let me tell you something. It's so nice when them smell so clean and you can get around them and feed them because them cannot feed themselves. You know, it's so nice to just help them out with things, even sit down with them and teach them little things and play a game with them. I love do them something there with them.
2 days when me no come, 2 of my residents them cry.
Yeah.
A man when I take care of his wife said, oh my God, Christine never tell me she's not coming. And nobody treat us like how Christine treat us. I don't, my wife and myself don't go early for breakfast. My wife don't get her changes at 1:30. I don't have to call Christine. Christine is like a clock herself. She always be here on time.
This is sometimes people not understand. So them something that you get blessing for, you know. You get blessing abundant. You have to show them that you care. You show them love because a lot of them, they don't have their family around. Some of them children, they're halfway around the world. Them not see them for all long. And it's like them just put them down and them gone because them live them own life.
I'm sick. I me can go down and spend 5 hours, 3 months and take care of my mother and come up back. You hear me I tell you?
Yeah.
Sorry, or make you go to Florida. We're closer. And take care of my mother Them stay there.
Yeah, sometimes you make so much
stay there.
sacrifice to work. You see, this is something what me would do if me have money, like to organize game for them and put them on schedule, do little stuff with them, little fun things, take them out to the mall. Me like do them something there, like make them get little, little exposure because them just locked down in the place. Exactly, when it's time nice, you put them out a door, put table in a cool and let them play games and them something they gather them up and make them eat and meet new friends and them little, me like do them little organized things there for them, when in a work, when me like it's me like make schedule for them. Them little something they me like do. Them have like a social life. It's not just sit down in a them bedroom and just depress themselves and just it's sad. It's something where me love. Me just love see them happy because them cannot help themselves. Yeah, but me want some soup in the day. I go supermarket here now.
Lord Jesus, look on the rain. I saw it over there too?
No. Rain not fall right now.
I'm driving a piece of rain yesterday morning. I'm driving a rain this morning. Come and walk and look outside again. Me see you call me, Me see you call me, hear me. I go and do the same thing when you do me. And I said I now answer the phone till the next 4 hours. And you come see me on nothing more than you see me on WhatsApp, because me know you go on WhatsApp, Right after me come off of WhatsApp, me see my phone and ring again, hear me, I look correct. Yeah. So hear me. Watch out, she see me on WhatsApp and now answer. I just put up the phone and gone about my business. Hear. Hear me. I go and do the same thing where you do me. The same thing where you do me. You think I have me at my phone and say I call me and answer? So crazy.
So hear me an answer. Go and call her when me ready. I'm going to call her when me set up my camera and make people them hear or go and done you.
Oh my God, are you serious?
Yes. So me day I just say I go and call you when I set up I record everything and me I go share everything what we just discuss with them. Right up on Facebook, me I go tell them about me. And before you see before me hear me. When a friend Gracey that call me, but me do her the same thing like where she do me. So me not take it serious. Me make sure me tell them right before me call you, say don't take it serious because me do the same thing where Gracey do me. Me do it to her too. So not take it serious. But somebody in the comment section say, how don't take it. If one person may that defend me somebody go under then comment and say don't take it when you see on social media serious. Or say that I never call Gracey before she do the video. But me never call you. Me just sit down there now and me say that little brat. She don't call me 2 days now. She dey on call with doctor. Then in at 4 hours later, she go on call with pharmacy. So me just do the video because me sit down there and me say Gracey don't come back. I feel like I would have cried. But it wasn't that serious. Me never gonna cry, guys, because life is just busy and what we do is just comedy. It's just comedy. Like sometimes we talk so I'm telling you in the video before me say some of the time I want to tell Gracey some things but I can't tell her in the video. I prefer tell her after the video. Cause that be shame on me when I'm done with her. The rain not fall. I want some soup.
You see outside?
Yeah, I can video call you.
The rain not pour up here.
I can video call. Yeah. Girl, I saw the thing say just take it easy and me I go at the mall, next week Thursday is Sam's birthday and I need to get her something. I know me not buy the slippers here.
You keep saying that to me, why you never buy it?
Because me never remember.
I buy a bag and one for Saskia and I go back and I buy 2 more for Saskia.
How could you get them?
I'm going on my email and tell you when I order the last set. I'm going to pick it up Wednesday when my day home.
So you just, which part you going to pick it up?
No. I say I pick it up Wednesday when my day home. If you want, you can buy and pick up a burger in mall, okay, so in a Parama store.
Oh, so you can't just go up at the mall and buy something out there for me?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
Me not drive come over there so if you come pick up. Me I go Google which one is closer to me. For me picking them say, me not for buy no knockoff for them. And anything when me buy as brand, them want to see the receipt because them no want feel them now wearing a knockoff out there. Yeah, them want to see the receipt. Mika says she want this, she want that.
Thing, they want so much sick me getting at them like a gift or a come to me. Me no wear knockoff, but it all depends. If anything me want, we look good at me and work hard. Buy innocent thing them for me much money. Oh.
For real.
If buy one sit let me have one good thing.
True. Me buy certain things. When you come on to shoes, me very picky with shoes because my foot big. So me like nice shoes. But you see like some little t-shirt or so if me see them in a knockoff and them look good, me will buy them. Me will buy them. Clothes me not care. Clothes me don't care. Me will wear $5 clothes with all $1,000 shoes. Me wear $5 top. Once it look nice with $1,000 shoes if me have the shoes. Yeah. Me like nice shoes.
Slippers and your sneakers.
We wear a $5 top if it look good. Tell me about it. Me start by both because me not wear them.
I have Adidas sneakers from me live down Grove Street. I remember 5 years I live at Grove Street. And I have sneakers in a box.
You tell me, you remember when we go to Canada? You remember the green Nike sneakers there?
You have it still.
At one time I wear it when me go to Canada. That sneakers never go up on my foot again. Me not send it, they the same way. But a whole heap of shoes me have when I wear one time. You see, me wear one Nike. Yeah, like me no wear that. Me have one orange one when me did have here where me get for Christmas. Oh God, that sneakers me did love it. One time me wear it. Me send it to Jamaica.
Remember you buy some shorts and you give me one of them.
Oh God, the amount of shorts when me send what they are. Some of them have on the tag them same way.
I tell you, it's a shocking yellow one look like green, you know, one sleeping shorts.
Yeah.
And do you say about this? Christine, this brand new same way, I say no long than I give me put it on. It's in there. Me remember wearing the shorts there.
Wow.
It just in a me dry. Everywhere me move, go it move it. You think I do it?
Me stay that way there too. Some things is like it.
You know Calvin Klein bag where you buy me?
Yeah.
Me carry that Jamaica one time and my daughter brand this shit and never wear it from that. So, Jamaica and I never wear it and it's chilling in my closet.
Wow.
Yellow Calvin Klein bag. I said me the put on my daughter beg me and I said no, then I buy it. You see if I'm needed by it, I would have gladly give it. But just anything with
somebody buy you, yeah.
I don't give it away.
You know me have one Kenneth Cole bag in me something what they me. You know, so me have you remember the blue bag when me did get from Max, the blue Michael Kors bag where $380 was so that when me just me dash it away now.
You dash it away now?
Yes, because it's strap did that strip up. Me have that bag there from 2015. And it's like it was my everyday bag. And now see it there? Max buy me this about 3 years now for my birthday. This is another Michael Kors because I love Michael Kors. And last night, the Kenneth Cole when we did have, when I carried that for about 6 months. Me just can't find nothing in them. Exactly. Chevron buy me a watch. And the Michael Kors bag here, it now I gotta be my everyday bag because they.
You know, some of about 3 to 4 Michael Kors with my daughter plus my gear one. Me did buy, definitely buy it.
I just love Michael Kors stuff. Them. I love them because the material. Just so good. Yeah. It was them wear your size.
Latima wear my size.
Oh.
Smaller.
Okay.
So anytime I go down with any farmer slippers, Latima always get them.
Yeah.
You know, she bought me for the and take my coat slippers when my card in for the time for Christmas. And I said that somebody buy me, you know, mommy, every time I see something I want to tell me somebody buy it. And I kind of feel bad, so I just wear it.
Right.
Wear it.
Yeah, I go look things for Christmas to the girls. Them I already buy for Max and Siobhan. I'm going to set up my Christmas tree. I'm going to do a spring cleaning in my house.
Yeah, my Shelly actually say if we not put Christmas tree in our house because we have big space.
Of course, put Shirley, put in them. I have one little one down there. I don't know if you want it.
Yeah, if they put one in there, the white one, you know.
Oh, you buy the white one.
Mm-hmm.
Mate, go pa Home Depot, go look it. Because if you go in at the store, you have your arm and a leg feet. Me I go up on some website now, China website. Maybe Shein or something, go see me see decoration for outside. I want the outside. Me go to Costco yesterday, go see some things. Oh my God, them so expensive, man. Even if you buy them, there's something to decorate outside. It now go do. But me been wanted to do it. Yeah, let me take it off now. Alright guys, me and Gracey I go whole real reasoning now, so I can't hear everything. Bye.